How to disable efficiency mode for Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you disable efficiency mode for Google Chrome in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the task manager on your system. So for that you can, as usual, go in the source field and search for taskbar, or you can also use the shortcut key like Windows plus X, and from there you'll have to just open the task manager. So simply open task manager. Alright, so after you open the task manager, you'll be able to see such interface. So from the app section, you'll have to just find the application Google Chrome, and after you find it, you'll have to just click on it. Alright, so from the section, you can easily find the efficiency mode is turned on Google Chrome. So to turn off that, you'll have to just right click on that efficiency turn on section. Alright, so after you right click, you'll have to just go with the option end task. So similarly, you'll have to just do it as it is same on everyone, and after you end the task of Google Chrome, the efficiency mode will be automatically removed or disabled from the Google Chrome. So if you want to permanently remove or disable this feature from the Chrome, you'll have to just open the Chrome browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, you'll have to just click on three dots just at the top right corner. Alright, so from your scroll down and click on settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to go the option performance. So it will appear at the left hand side of your screen. So simply click on the performance. Okay, so from the performance section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like memory saver. So make sure that this feature is turned off from here. So you have to just turn off it from here. And although you'll have to also turn off the options like energy saver, you'll have to just open the energy saver from here. And after you turn off this memory saver and energy saver, you'll be able to disable the efficiency mode for Google Chrome in your Windows. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.